I've always been passionate about mental health and people's issues. I've struggled with my own mental health, so being in a field where I can assist people in a way I would have wanted to be assisted really spoke to me. I chose USW because this was the only uni that had psychology with developmental disorders, so it had a specialization, and I do want to then dive into my career into developmental disorders. I had no prior experience with psychology before my degree. I've honestly enjoyed everything about this course. I love my lecturers. They've been extremely helpful in explaining the history of psychology along with all the things that come with it, like research and all of that. They're always there to listen, they're always there to help, and it's been a phenomenal experience. Next year I'll be in second year. I will be in the lab a lot more. I do want to pursue a career in neuropsychology, so I'm quite excited to try out the virtual reality simulation and to do the eye tracking device.